Hello students, let's continue with set 2, paper 2. For paper 2, section A is 50 marks, right? So you need to answer all the questions, compulsory. Now let's see question number 1. It's about the sketching the graph of the trigo graph, right? So let's see how to sketch y equal to 5 tangent x from 0 to 360 should be inclusive, right? Because it should be include of 0 and 360. Okay, so we are going to sketch the graph. For your information, if you want to sketch a graph, you must use a ruler, and you have to roughly estimate the measurement so that it won't be the estimation, okay. Normally I will ask a student to divide into 4 first. You no need to measure, but measure is looks alike, looks symmetrical, right? For trigo graph, it always symmetrical. For 0 to 360, so middle is 180 degree, here will be 90 degree, here will be 270. For tangent, the shape is like this. Make it smooth. It cannot touch the 90, right? So the shape of the tangent must be correct. So let's try this color. Okay, I'm going to use a blue color. So 0 for tangent is 0, 90 is undefined, 180 is 0 for tangent. So let's see, we want to make it smooth, right? Something like this. 270 also is asymptote. Asymptote means a tangent undefined. So this is roughly y equal to 5 tangent x is actually the same with the y equal to tangent x. It's just that if here is 45 degree, here should be 5, because it's 5 tangent 45. Tangent 45 is 1. So if you substitute, you should be getting y equal to 5. So you can label 5 there to show it is 5, so that people will know that this is y equal to 5 tangent x. If not, it looks like y equal to tangent x, right? So actually in exam, if the shape is correct, you get 1 mark. And then label all the angles or the axis 1 mark, right? And the period is 1 mark. The period for the graph is 360 degree because of tangent x. Alright, so we have sketched the graph. It looks like quite simple. Now for the next part is we want to solve the trigo, the part B. Let's see, where's the part B. Solve the equation for 3 cos 2x equal to 8 sine x minus 5. Now for the x, we always read the range of the x from 0 to 360. So let's write down 3 cos 2x is equal to 8 sine x minus 5, right? This is a B. So if you observe that the formula given for cos 2x, we have 3. So you choose the one with the sine square, 1 minus 2 sine square x. Just pick the formula from the formula list, substitute and change it to all sine x, meaning that sine x is an unknown. Okay, so you can expand 3 times 1 3 times 2 will be 6. 6 sine square x is equal to 8 sine x minus 5. This one is actually the same with the quadratic equation. So if you are not used to sine x, then you can say let sine x equal to y. So 3 minus 6y squared is equal to 8y minus 5. You can use sine y to replace sine x as a y to replace the equation. Then you shift everything to the right. This one positive, plus 8y minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, right? So after that you factorize. Before you factorize, you divide by 2 so that the equation looks simplest before we factorize. So we can just factorize like usual. When you solve the quadratic equation, right, you get y equal to 2 over 3 and y is equal to negative 2. But since you just said sine x is equal to y, so you have to solve. Sine x is equal to 2 over 3. So from here we have the alpha, which is 41.81 degree, right? Then we refer to positive, so x will be at the first quadrant, and second quadrant we take 180 minus 41.81, so we got 139.19 degree. So for this one, sine x equal to negative 2, x undefined, no solution. So the final answer is just 2 solution for the x. X equal to 41.81 degree and x equal to 139.19 degree. Alright, that's all my sharing about solving quadratic equation for the trigo equation, and also sketching the tangent graph. Bye-bye and have a nice day. Answer scheme. So in exam, if you sketch the nice tangent shape like this, so it's 1 mark, and the period is 1 mark, and you label 0, 90, 180, 270, and then axis label, they give you 1 mark. And if possible, we try to label here 45 degree, and here should be 5 to differentiate y equal to 5 tangent x with y equal to tangent x. So it will be 3 marks for that. Alright, so for the B, the trigo equation, firstly, if you substitute the right formula, you will get 1 mark, and then if you factorize, you get 1 mark, and you solve the alpha, you get 1 mark, and the solution correct, you get 1 mark. So total is 4 marks. That is question 1.